Drinking the Barrio Blonde, or the Blonde. I'm not sure what the Boo Boo Blonde?
Yeah,
Boo Boo Blonde. Very, very good.
Robson's SaddleBrooke Ranch is a 50-plus community known for its golf. And after 18 holes, you need something to wash it all down.
This will be the half.
So how about a brewery? Enter the clubhouse at SaddleBrooke Ranch.
Yeah, I'm a regular. I don't drink a lot, but after golf, a nice cold beer is absolutely great.
This right here is our mash tun. Right now we're currently transferring into our boil kettle.
Josh Johnson is the head brewer.
I don't want to have, suction in my pump and lose pump flow, so I want to fill this up a little bit.
Josh has been doing a great job for us and is very passionate about it.
George Atwell runs the place.
I met a lot of homeowners while we're building this and building the community. And a lot of them are from Oregon and Washington State, and all of them very interested in craft beer. A lot of them brew their own beer in their garages.
I would say we have a younger, older community here. So, they go out on the golf course, they have a long day on the golf course and come in here, and I've seen these guys party just as hard as guys I was with in college.
The brewery opened last November, and it's open to anyone, not just residents, but those who live there love it.
This is every bit as good, if not better. Very good.
Trish Kelly and her husband used to brew their own beer when living in Seattle, Washington. Now a Robson resident, Trish is very happy with the brew right in her own neighborhood.
I started off with the Boo Boo Blonde, which as I'm told, is Mr. Robson's dog's name is Boo Boo. I think that's where the name Boo Boo Blonde came from.
Okay.
And it's very good, and that's been my standard.
These two customers from Tucson enjoying it as well.
I'm glad we got up here, and I'm glad we tried it.
Came here for lunch, had no idea. They make their own beer here. I'm a big beer fan, and we really enjoyed this. The beer they make here was really excellent.
I think we're the only HOA or retirement community in the United States that has its own brewery. So that's kind of unique.
That brewery also supplies other Robson communities in the state, and the clubhouse is currently going through 6 kegs a week. So who says retirement is dull?